They know you're in such a terrible rush. They're going just as fast as they can. Dad, I really don't understand what driving big trucks has to do with that man. You should have taught him a lesson about being rude, about talking to you with such an attitude. He said, son, you're still young, and you always jump the gun. There's real people in the big, big trucks that you live on when they get in your road. You get so happy, but you pay no mind to the great big sign that says oversized low. You really think that they can go as fast as you in 87 Trans Am? They know